Hi friends, it's Miss Renee. We're gonna do another fun science experiment together. This one is called rescuing an ice cube from a glass of water. So you need a glass of water, an ice cube, regular table salt, and a piece of string. So you're gonna float your ice cube in the water. Now, here's the rule. You have to try to get the ice cube out just using a piece of string and salt, but you can't get your hands wet. So you can't wrap the string around the ice or anything. I'm gonna show you how to solve that. You need a piece of string. You're gonna lay one end of the string on the ice cube and let the other end hang out of the glass. Then you're gonna pour a little bit of salt on top of the string where it's on the ice cube, where they're touching each other. And we're just gonna wait a minute. Do you think it's gonna work? I should be able to pull this string and lift the ice cube up if it works right. Let's see. Let's count by 5s to 100 and then we'll check it out. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right, let's give it a try. I should be able to get the ice out without having to get my fingers wet. So I'm gonna hold the string. Oh, it's not quite ready. It's starting to lift. Let's count by 10s to 100 and then try. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's see. Ta-da! We rescued the ice cube from the water just using a string and my hands didn't even get wet. Pretty cool, huh? I want you to give it a try. Now, science is a lot about asking questions and then finding the answers. So let me tell you, the question here is, why does that work? The answer is, when you put the salt on, the salt makes the ice start to melt. Like when your parents, if your sidewalk is slippery, they might sprinkle salt on your sidewalk so that the ice melts so you can walk on it safely. Well, when I sprinkled salt on top of the string in the ice cube started to melt. Then as it refreezes, it catches the string in there, inside where it froze, and then you can just pull it right up. So that's why this works. But when I was doing it yesterday to make sure that it would work, it got me thinking of another question. Would this work with bigger pieces of ice? So let's find out together. So now I have a bowl, because my ice is going to be bigger. And in some containers, I froze different sizes of ice. So this one is my next one. Look, it's bigger than a regular ice cube, right? So let's see if we can rescue this one if it'll work with the string and the salt. I don't know. I've never tried before, but that's my question. Will it work? So we're gonna lay the string on just like we did before. Sprinkle some salt on top. Oh, my salt doesn't want to come out. Then the hard part, waiting. I don't like to wait either. You know what? Well, we're waiting for that one. I'm gonna get another one started. So look, this one's even bigger than the one I just did. So let's try this one too. Float it in the water. Oh, I need another piece of string if I'm gonna do two. Okay, let's see. And then our other one should almost be ready. Sprinkle some salt on. All right, do you think this one's ready? Let's try. Oh, almost. Maybe if I waited a little bit longer. Let's try that one again. That's the other good thing about science. You can keep trying things. Sometimes things don't work because maybe you didn't do it quite right. And even though it should have worked, it didn't. Maybe I didn't use enough salt. Maybe I didn't wait long enough. So I'll just try again. This one doesn't look like it's ready either. I think this ice might be too heavy because there's ice stuck on the string that broke off. All right, we'll try this one again. And then we'll go back to that one and see if that one worked. You can try all these too. It's easy to make ice. I just filled empty containers that I had with some water last night before I went to bed and put it in the freezer. When I got up this morning, I had blocks of ice. I made all different size ones so we could try together. All right, let's go back to our small one. Oh, look, I used more salt that time and I waited a little bit more and it worked. Oh, and now I got wet. This one fell off when I splashed. But anyways, that's rescuing an ice cube. It works with the ice cube, and if you wait and use enough salt, it looks like it might work with bigger pieces of ice too. Maybe longer piece of string going all the way across the ice. Maybe more salt. I want you to give it a try and have fun. Bye.